Hey guys, this is Satya. Hope you all are doing well today. Today in our session, in this particular video, I would like to explain you about the images, how to insert an image in HTML tutorial. So now let's see how do we add an image to an HTML document or a HTML file. Now let's understand what is the syntax used for inserting an image in HTML file. In HTML, images are defined with the image tag, img tag. The img tag is empty, it contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. As we all already know that for all the HTML tags we have an opening tag and a closing tag, but for image tag we do not have any closing tags. The src attribute specifies the URL or a web address of an image. So while we are specifying the src of a source of an image in HTML syntax, that means the src attribute specifies that the URL of the image, that we will have to provide the URL of that particular image. Now let's understand how the syntax of this HTML image goes. The syntax for the same would be img space src is equal to, then you will have to give the URL of that particular image which you are looking for, and what you can do is you can type an alternate text over here which is alt is equal to, you can give some text in colons, in apostrophes, and then you can write this style is equal to, you can give the width and height by closing the that particular syntax. So this is the basic format of the syntax which is used for inserting an image in a HTML document. Now let's go ahead and understand how this is going to work. I'm opening a HTML document, a normal HTML document wherein I do not have any kind of image inserted in this particular document. This is a basic HTML file with a HTML opened and a HTML closed along with a body open and body closed, and I have simply written this is an example of an HTML image tag. I'm saving this. Let's see the output, how this is going to be. So this is the output which you are getting. This is a simple example of a HTML image tag. So now we would want to go ahead and insert an image in this particular HTML tag. Now let's see how this is going to work. So let's copy this syntax and we will try to insert the same over here. Now we will have to give the URL for the image which we are inserting. I would like to give a ball image which is a JPG file. We will have to write the name of the image followed by the extension. So I am inserting a JPG file, that is the reason I am mentioning as JPG. And you can write an alternate text over here as ball image, and you can give the width and height. You will have to give it in the pixels. Let's give 125 px followed by height with 125 px. So this is a normal basic syntax which I'm giving. I'm saving this. Now let's see what is the output. So this is how you will get the image in this particular HTML document. Now if you see over here, you have given the image width, image height, and you've given the source as ball.jpg. That is the reason you've got this JPG image of the ball, and you have given the alternate text as ball image. But you could not see any alternate text over here in this particular document. The alternate text will be only viewed when you do not have the specified image or a specified URL not mentioned properly, or let's say for example if you have already given an image, or if that particular image is not available in that particular location, then in that situation what would happen is you will not get that image. In spite of getting the image, you will get the text of that particular image what you have given. Now let's assume I have mentioned this is balls. I'm saving this. I'm trying to refresh this and view the syntax and view the status, what the output going to be. See, I did not get any kind of ball over here, ball image over here. In spite, I've got the text as ball image. So now let's try to understand and give the break tag over here so that we can clearly understand what does this mean. I've given a break tag over there so that we can get the comment in the next line. So here it is coming as ball image. The ball image will only reflect, you can change this to whatever you want. I'm writing it as big ball. Refresh, you will get the syntax over here or the output over here as big ball, because you do not have the specific image available over there in that particular location. Let's see. You again go ahead and give the correct name of the image, refresh, you will get only the image of what you have specified. In this way you will be able to go ahead and insert an image in this particular HTML document. You can change the width and height of a document of an image in this particular HTML file. It is up to us. Saving this, let's try refresh. The image size and width has been changed. Now if you want to go ahead and include a GIF files in this particular image source, you can still go ahead and do that. I'm trying to do that, and the alternate text which I'm writing over here is rolling world. I'm saving this. We'll try to understand what will be the output. Here it is. So I've given a GIF image, which is a GIF image, wherein we will have a rotation of a world. I've taken it as a rotation of a world, and I've tried to input that particular image over here in this particular HTML document. I've given the correct path, because of which the image has come over here. If I'm giving a wrong path, let's understand I've given a spelling mistake. Now what will happen, we will see. When refresh, we did not get the image. In spite of that, we have got this text rolling world. So this alternate text will be only viewed when we are providing a specific image URL, but if the URL is not perfect, or in that particular location if the image is not available, then the alternate text would be updated in the HTML document. So in this way you will be able to insert image, whether it might be PNG, GIF, JPG, whatever it might be, in your HTML document. Thank you for watching this particular video. Hope you all have learned and understand the concept of inserting an image in a HTML file. Thank you for watching this video once again. Please do comment, and please do like, and please do share this particular video if you like. Thank you so much.